How to repost any public story on Instagram. No tag needed. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'll introduce you to the new feature on Instagram that allows users to repost public stories without needing to be tagged. So you need to head over to your Instagram. You can tap on any public story.
I definitely know.
And then you can see the share icon at the bottom right. Tap on it, and then you can see add to story. Now you can see it looks like this. You can tap and change the layout. You can put in text of your choice, and then you can also put in stickers if you want to, and you can also add music, and you can also uh, put in paid partnership labels and all if you want to, and you can also add caption, and then that's it. Now you can just add to your story, and there you go, it has been added to your story. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.